Hello. Today I want to talk to you about our sound spelling boxes. This is a routine that we typically use on a day one, and it's to help your learners figure out how many sounds are in a word before they spell it. In front of you, I have our sound spelling boxes. These are very similar, exactly the same as what you see when we're just looking for sounds in a word. The only difference is that to the side, I have lines for your child to write the words that we're trying to spell. I'd like to give you an example of how we use these sound spelling boxes to spell words. Just like when we're finding sounds in words, we only put one sound in each box. This can get confusing, especially for parents who are thinking about how many letters are in a word versus how many sounds. I'm going to give you an example of how we use this. The word I'm going to use is rod. Rod. Just like a curtain rod. The first step is to find the sounds in the word. And to do this, we stretch the word and put a dot at the bottom of each sound box for each sound that we hear. D. Rod. Now we go back to the beginning and we put the letters that make the sounds we hear. R, O, D, rod. Then off to the side we write the word R-O-D, rod. This helps the students to see and visualize how the letters make the sounds in the word. Let's do another one. The next word we're going to do is cup. So first I'm going to find the sounds. K, p, cup. Now I write the letters that make the sounds in the word. K, C, U, P. C-U-P, cup. Then I come over here and I write it on the lines, cup. Again, this helps the students to visualize the word not only as the sounds and the letters, but also as the full word. I want to give you an example of how the number of sounds do not match the number of letters in a word. For this example, I'm going to use the word fight. If we look at the sounds, it's f, I, t, fight. That's 3 sounds. But later in the year, when students start learning that there can be more than one letter to make a sound, they will understand how this works. F is represented by F. The long I sound, I, is represented by 3 letters in this word. I-G-H. So all 3 letters are going to go into this sound box because this sound box represents the sound I. And last, we have T, which is T. So notice the F is the only letter that makes the F sound in this word. But I is represented by I-G-H. And T is represented by T. So the students can look at the full word, fight, but this helps them to recognize that there is a sound spelling pattern for the long I that is represented by more than one letter. Thanks for stopping by and learning a little bit about sound spelling boxes. Have a great day.